It's time, everyone. It's finally time. It's Hina's birthday. Let's start chronologically and start from the beginning now.
हाय ना, हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय द डे। जल्दी मिलते हैं, बहुत सारी पार्टीज भी हो रखी हैं। चल पार्टी।
Hello! Happy birthday, bro! Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. 27th birthday, indeed very special. The first one in lockdown and the first after your wedding. Enjoy karo, have fun, make the most of it. I know you have been enjoying. And just have a blast, okay? Miss you a lot. The four of us need to meet, bro. मतलब हद हो गई, 4 साल हो गए and we need to meet. The 5 of us we need to meet, yaar. Miss you, baby. Happy birthday again. Have fun. Mwah. Love you. Bye.
Hello. See, the problem with Gaurav asking me to make this video for you is that I have too much content. I cannot make a small video for you, but still I'll try. So, you're one of the few people in my life who I find absolutely 110% genuine. So, thanks for being that person around me who knows when to, give a laugh on your back and when to tell you that you're awesome. Thanks for being such a genuine person. Thanks for just being you, dude. You're awesome. So I really wanted to come back to Hyderabad. So Gaurav, please get her back to Hyderabad soon, and I hope you guys are doing fine. So also hope that this is your one and only quarantine birthday, and we get to celebrate all of your next birthdays together. Happy birthday!
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा है ना.
Happy birthday, Hina, from a social distance.
And air hug from 6 feet away.
And blessings from Nana Nani and Mama Mami.
Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hey Hina, happy birthday. Hope you have plans to enjoy your stay at home birthday and make Gaurav cook a lot of food for you and do a lot of seva for you. Have fun. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday to my favorite cousin Henna. Have a great birthday. Have a great quarantine birthday. Eat lots and lots of cake. And I love you and I miss you. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Hinalini. Wish you a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Hina. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Hannah. So first birthday as Mrs. Gaurav Kalelkar. I'm sure Gaurav has planned a lot of surprises for you and he'll make it one of your best birthdays. And have lots of fun, have good time. Even though we are all in lockdown, I hope this is one of the best birthdays for you. And lots of love, keep smiling, have fun.
Hi. Happy birthday. I know lockdown hai, but I'm sure Gaurav must be trying to make your this birthday also special. Enjoy. Bye.
Hi Hina. Happy quarantine birthday. ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, मज़े करो, ऐश करो गौरव के साथ. This one is more special. और wishing you happy birthday once again from a social distance. Happy birthday. Stay happy, stay safe, stay inside. Bye.
Hey Mrs. Kelkar, wish you a very happy birthday. This is your first married birthday, so it's very special. Have a blast and wish you lots and lots of happiness and success in life, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hannah. I love you so much, baby. It's your first birthday after marriage. Enjoy to the fullest. And love Gaurav. He's putting so much efforts to make your birthday a memorable day. Happy birthday.
Hi Charity. I hope quarantine is treating you pretty well. Cooking and all videos तो यार तेरे तो फाड़ी है. Struggling with that. But just to wishing you a totally awesome birthday. Hope this year goes awesome as your last year. Hoping to meet you real soon. चल यार, happy birthday. Hi Hannah, happy birthday. See you soon.
Vadwa ji, wish you very happy lockdown wala birthday. Enjoy Mumbai.
Hello, Hannah. Many happy returns of the day. Have an absolutely awesome year ahead.
Hi Hannah, a very happy birthday to you. Have a great year ahead. Lots of love.
Hi Hina, wish you a very happy and hopefully the only quarantine birthday.
Happy birthday Hina.
हाय हिना, कॉफी ब्रेक्स हो या शेयर ड्राइव एक्सेस, वैल्यूएशन की क्वेरी हो या गौरव के लिए डांस, हर चीज में हमारा साथ बना रहे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hey Hannah, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. I know you'll have a great day today despite the quarantine lockdown and all with Gaurav and his family. And once you're back, we will go out and party. Like we'll have lots of pending parties, lots of birthdays lined up. So we'll have like a gala party once you're back. And we'll have superb fun. I'm looking forward to that. But till then, you enjoy and have a fantastic day today. And I'll video call you soon.
Happy birthday Hina. Wish you lots and lots of love, happiness and success. And may you remember this birthday always because शादी का पहला वाला है. And I hope you can do it on Chula. Yay! Love you.
Hi Hannah, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. And enjoy your day with Gaurav and family.
Hi Hina, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. I know this is the most odd time to celebrate your birthday, but I think you've got a great gift this year, Mr. Kalelkar. I think he has baked a cake for you. Not really sure if it tastes good, but ये adjust कर लो, आदत डाल.
हाय हिना, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप शुभेच्छा. अगर इसका मतलब समझ में नहीं आता तो गौरव से पूछ लेना. But wish you a very happy birthday and enjoy your day to the fullest. And I hope to meet you soon in person.
Hi Hannah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Hina. Drink less coffee. Have a great year ahead.
है ना, बचपन की छोटी छोटी मीठी मीठी यादें बहुत मेरे मन में संजोई हुई है. मैंने याद है किसी ने पूछा था, है ना, ये तेरी दादी है मम्मी है? तो उन्होंने कहा था ये मेरी मम्मी भी है, दादी भी है, फ्रेंड भी है. यू नो. फिर अभिषेक आया तो अभिषेक के साथ खूब एंजॉय किया हमने. छोटी छोटी खुशियां तेरी बहुत याद आती है. तेरी फ्रेंड्स कहती थी नहीं तेरे भाई को मत लेके आया कर, तो कहती नहीं मेरा भाई तो मेरी जान है, मेरा भाई नहीं आएगा तो मैं भी नहीं आऊंगी. जब तू आई तेरे साथ साथ मेरा बचपन लौट आया था, मैं फिर से जवान हो गई. याद है आज तो इतनी दूर बैठी है तेरा बचपन, मेरे को एक बात मेरे तेरी याद आ रही है. गॉड ब्लेस यू. आई लव यू. आई मिस यू नानू. आई मिस यू. यहाँ होती तेरे बर्थडे की और ही धूमधाम से मनाते हैं हम. कुछ भेजा तो है, देखो टाइम पे मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता. गॉड नोस.
बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स भेजी हैं तेरे.
Hi Hina, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. We are feeling very bad that this is your first birthday after marriage as Kalelkar, but it is in quarantine. We cannot celebrate it as we wanted. So we cannot give you any present in kind. But I wish you a very happy birthday.
Hello. Hi Hina. Happy birthday to you, my dear daughter. I'm really happy because if it was not in quarantine period, you would not have been with us to celebrate his birthday. I am taking it in the positive way that though it is a quarantine, gifts and all we can give you in future. But your presence is very essential, and that we are having now at present. This is the first birthday and we are very happy to be with you and we are enjoying with you.
Happy birthday to Nanu. Happy birthday dear Nanu. birthday, dear Nanu. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, my darling. May God bless you, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Hina. Wish you a wonderful year ahead. We are really lucky to have you in our lives.
Hina, we really wish we could celebrate this special day with you. Unfortunately, due to circumstances, we won't be able to right now. But we know that in some time, we will all celebrate this in a big way. Hope you have a wonderful day and we'll keep you in our thoughts.
Yes. Once again, happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Didi. You are awesome. You should know. I love you so much. And I miss you so much. Have an amazing day ahead. In fact, have an amazing year ahead. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Anna, I hope you like the gifts. एक बार लॉकडाउन खत्म होने there will be even better gifts. I'm just waiting for that to happen. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. I love you and may you have a very happy birthday, and I'll make sure that you have one of the best birthdays of your life.